sipping no toxic. On the low with your bitch in this bitch. Mask on her face. She gon' leave me skates. I put 2 million in the safe, just in case. Don't go my cap. My kids gotta have it. Not just me. This selfish. I take the crown out from king like Mike Dickinson. The world is wide. He dying on that don't help. Oh, you wanna eat up the drip? You cannot help. Niggas talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to the feet. They don't want them. Niggas is all sweet. Bad push niggas in the G. It's a new weird every week. Get the work with it for my seeds. No cure for the allergy disease. Do anything for pop. Do anything for pop. Do anything for pop. They don't want it cause I come to the feet. They don't want them. Niggas all sweet. Bad push niggas in the G. It's a new weird every week. Get the work with it for my seeds. No cure for the allergy disease. They do anything for pop. Damn. Do anything for pop. They do anything for pop. They do anything for pop. Do anything for pop.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today is Thursday. I'm off tomorrow, which is the 22nd, because I took it off. I have so much to do in the next like 5 days. I have to finish Christmas shopping. I have to wrap gifts, and I also have to pick up orders that I placed online because I know the store is about to be crazy. And yes, I am one of those people that last minute shop because the paychecks don't be aligning with when I want to shop for Christmas. So I've already did a couple of Christmas shopping, but I still need to finish. I have to wrap and finish those that are over there, the little baggies. I have to fill in that one, the little one. I still have these here that I need to wrap, and also I need to pick up a Target order because my cousin asked for protein shake and electrolytes for Christmas, so that's what I'm about to get him. So I already ordered it. I just have to pick it up from Target later on, and then I need to go to Marshall's later on today or tomorrow to finish for the rest of the people. And then I also want to go to the mall to see if I can pick up some more body wash from Lush, but I don't need more body wash because honestly I have a ton of body wash. I just got a necessaire package, and I'm gonna insert the clip right here. Y'all, I ordered from Necessaire from their holiday sale, and I'm so excited because look, I got the body, hold on, let me fix this thing. I got the body wash, the big one, the eucalyptus scent. This one is like my favorite. This smells so good. They have a big bottle, the eucalyptus. I also got the body exfoliator and the eucalyptus as well. Alright, and then I got the body lotion. Right there. And then I also got the body oil. Ooh. Everything I picked up from the Necessaire holiday sale. They gave a free body oil when you purchased more than a certain amount. So I usually like to stock up on a lot of my products during like the holiday times or during any event, because they have great discounts and you also get free items from a lot of these brands during these times. So that's when I like to stock up. But anyways, I'll check back in with y'all later when I get off of work. I also need a pedicure, y'all, because these toes are bad. I did my own relaxer the other day, and I also took off my acrylic myself. So a lot of these things I've been doing myself because now I'm in planning mode to move next year. So I have to save my coins, and I have a lot of money that I need to save so that I can be comfortable in my new spot. And I am gonna take y'all with me apartment hunting, probably like next year, which is like in 2 weeks. But yeah, I'll see y'all later. These are the wrapping papers that I'm going to be using. I used this last year. It's more like this checkered print one, and then I just recently got this from TJ Maxx. Y'all, so I just got off of work. I took a shower, moussed up my hair a little bit, and then I'm going to pick up my order from Target. And then I'm also going to Marshall's to pick up some more stuff like gifts. They close at 11. It's currently 8:15 right now. And then I'm also gonna go to TJ Maxx probably because my aunt needs more wrapping paper, and I saw some at TJ Maxx that was pretty affordable. Because who the hell is spending $15 on wrapping paper? What kind of wrapping paper is that? Like, for me to rip it and throw it in the garbage, I don't think I should be spending that much on wrapping paper. But anyways, I'll see y'all when I get to Target and Marshall's. Y'all, I'm at Target and I pulled up to the spot, and all of the spots are filled with cars. And the parking lot is filled with cars as well. Like, what the heck is going on? I think I chose the wrong time to go Christmas shopping, but I gotta get it done. And there's so many people outside on a Thursday. Ugh. I know I said I was going to Marshall's, but first I need to make a stop at Bath and Body Works to pick up some like body lotions and stuff, because I have a couple of my aunts that are coming and I want to get them like just a little something, you know. Bath and Body Works be sending out them coupons, so I need to get in there and get like that free full body care product, the $8 one, and then I also got like a $10 off coupon or something like that when you spend. No, you get a free full size body item when you spend $10. So I'm about to go in there and see if I can find some little things to put as like stocking stuffers. So let's go. I was able to secure the bag. Next stop, Home Goods and Marshall. Y'all, so my aunt says she wants a bath mat set for her bathrooms. So How do you even wrap a bath mat set? Like, girl, what? And I see a bunch of bath mats here, but I don't know which one to get her because the freaking dog be rubbing himself all over the bath mats. So I don't know what color to get her. I might just get her white because you can't go wrong with white, right? And there's a bunch of white ones here, like the bath mats. This one says hotel. It's fluffy. I think I'm gonna just pick her out one of these. She watches my vlogs, so but I'm gonna get her like one of these or something like festive. She's been like really into the festive mats too, so let me look and see what they have. They have a bunch of colors, so I'm gonna pick one and see which one she gonna like the most. Cousin, she likes candles, so I was thinking about getting her this one, and it smells like a pine tree. I might just get it for her, y'all. And my camera is dying.